Yesterday was to get dewy with it. Day before was just let it glow, the glowy look. And today is the Hydrate Day Flash Mask. So far, I really like these. Hi guys, I'm back again with another skincare video. Today I'll be putting on the mask by Patchology, the Hydrate Mask. So as per usual, I'm gonna go over the highlighted ingredients. So it says the refreshing ingredients in this one are this one and this one. And this one is called the Hydrate Flash Mask. They call it Flash Mask because the other face mask or facial mask that I was putting on for my last two videos, well, it was recommended to put on for 10 minutes, but it says you can leave it for 10 minutes or more. This one is just, it only takes 5 minutes. So the back says, feeling parched? This is the ultimate thirst quencher. So it only takes 5 minutes to treat your skin to a much needed surge of maximum moisture. Hydrate Flash Masks combat dehydration and ease your facial fatigue. You look youthful and dewy every day. Again, I'll read the directions if this is the first time you're watching this video and haven't caught the other two yet. Directions say unfold the mask and apply it to clean, dry skin. Place over your entire face, pressing the material snugly into facial contours. Leave on for 5 minutes or longer if desired, so you can still leave it on for longer. Discard and massage any excess serum, which there always is, into skin. No need to rinse, and the serum will fully absorb into skin. Hyaluronic acid hydrates and helps improve elasticity. Vitamin B5 softens and smooths the look of your skin, while betaine, B-E-T-A-I-N-E, improves its ability to retain moisture. Drink in all the good stuff. On the front, they only really mention those two, vitamin B5 and hyaluronic acid, but on the back, for the refreshing ingredients, they also mentioned an ingredient called betaine. So just looking up on my phone, as we've been doing together, I'm going to go over, apart from what they said that those 3 ingredients are good for, I'm going to go over what I found myself by looking up on Google. This is a vitamin B5. So this one is, I'm pulling up from simpleskincare.com. I just clicked on a link and it says Pro Vitamin B5 helps keep skin soft, smooth, and healthy. It also has an anti-inflammatory effect that can help stimulate your skin's healing process. Deeply hydrating, it helps keep skin quenched by absorbing moisture from the air. Also known as pantothenic acid. Small quantities of vitamin B are found in most foods, but you'd have to eat a lot to see any benefit. So they say it supports healthy looking skin, can help stimulate the healing process of any, I guess, skin issues, and absorbs moisture rapidly. So that was the vitamin B5 one. Now going on to the hyaluronic acid. This one I'm reading from SkinCeuticals. It's a natural humectant that's capable of retaining 1,000 times its own weight in water, making it an effective moisturizer. Alright, and lastly, let me take a look to see what this betaine is. So betaine is useful in anti-aging products to help prevent wrinkles. Its moisturizing properties soften skin's texture and effectively fill in creases to reduce the deep appearance of wrinkles. And that I read from soonskincare.com. Let's see if I can find something else. Something that, like, you know, we're all kind of familiar with. And then also choosing from another link that I see here that Google pulled up. It says betaine. This one is from the Skincare Chemist, and it says betaine, also called trimethylglycine, is a simple small molecule naturally found in and derived from the sugar beet. Betaine is used in many skincare and cosmetics formulations and has been shown to offer the following benefits for our skin. An anti-inflammatory. Betaine has demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties against erythema, redness of the skin, and skin irritations. 2, it's a humectant. Betaine has humectant properties and is also used in some skincare formulations to hydrate the skin and increase water retention. Anti-aging. Some studies have suggested that betaine assists with anti-aging and skin protection against action of oxidative free radicals. And then lastly, another point here says hair conditioner. So betaine is often used in hair care products where it has demonstrated hair strengthening and conditioning properties. Conclusion: betaine has found application in skincare products mainly due to its anti-inflammatory properties, humectant and skin hydration capabilities, and its hair conditioning abilities. Alright. This one smells more, it has like maybe like a more floral smell, but it's definitely like the other ones weren't even dripping like this, so we don't call it hydrate for no reason, I guess. So I'm just gonna open this. So I've literally applied these masks in 3 consecutive days. Like I haven't missed a day and then decided to film 2 days later. No, like it's been back to back to back. It definitely feels like it has more water. The slip, I don't know if this it's not like a conditioner, but I don't feel as much slip, or it doesn't feel as smooth. So it feels like thinner. There's a lot of the product, whatever the serum is, but it feels like a thinner kind of serum. The other ones felt more smooth. So I'm curious to see if this time around, once I take it off, if it's gonna feel as like sticky. And it wasn't like an annoying kind of sticky, but if you touched it, yeah, it felt like most serums typically do. The consistency of this feels a little bit different. So yeah, just letting y'all know. I think this one smells the best. I don't really care for the smell. Yes, they all do have fragrance. Yeah, let's take a look since I'm waiting to see if there's any benefits of grapefruit. Since they do have grapefruit seed extract in this. Let's see. Grapefruit skin benefits. Alright. So let's see which one I'm gonna click on. Alright, let's see the first one. So the first one is by Skin SEI, Skinsea, I don't know, .com, and they say these are the benefits of grapefruit for the skin. For all kinds of skincare benefits, for all kinds of skincare benefits, grapefruit extract just may be the secret. Grapefruit is an excellent source of vitamin C. Vitamin C has 3 different benefits. So 1 is a powerful antioxidant, helping to ward off damage caused by exposure to environmental factors such as sun and pollution. 2, it's a top-notch skin brightener, working in 2 different ways. It also helps fade existing spots, making vitamin C a great pick not only for fading existing spots but also preventing new ones from forming. So I'm reading here, it says, do the benefits of grapefruit for skin apply when you eat it too? And it says the whole "you are what you eat" saying definitely holds true in this case. So that honestly applies for all of these patches had like vitamin B5. I mean, all 3 of them. They either had a form of vitamin B5, vitamin B3, vitamin C, just different things. We can all find these in foods or your supplement of multivitamins, or you can just take the actual vitamin B tablet if you want. So yeah, so it's good to take these things internally and topically. So you've probably heard that the human body is composed or comprised of more than 70% of water, so it's important for us to stay hydrated, to drink. So yes, also intaking the right amount of water, getting the right amount of fruits and vegetables, and taking care of our skin topically and cleansing it well. And I'm about to take this off and let's see what I think. dehydrated. So I just want to make quick mention for anybody who hasn't seen the last 2 videos that I put out, why I'm doing this skincare thing, these skincare videos, is because I'm trying to clear up these areas here. But it definitely is less sticky. It's less sticky for sure. So this is a close-up of my skin. These are the ones that I'm really working on. And this is day 3. I don't really expect to see any results that rapidly, but just keeping you guys up to date. I didn't even like rub it in, but like the other 2 videos I did, I rubbed it in before it dried, but now that it's like getting like tacky, I'm gonna leave it just so. But I feel like this one, the other ones, I felt like I still needed to rub it in. Anything that you're putting into your body or onto your body, do your own research first. Make sure it's safe, especially if you're taking it internally. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and if you already are, thanks. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Comment below what you liked, like if you like, and subscribe if you haven't. And once again, thank you all for watching.